If you are a beginner in content creation or thinking to start a content creation, then this product review is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tech video. Today we are having Digimore's mic in our lab. So let's unbox it. There is one receiver and two transmitters. These transmitters came with an magnetic attachments like this, and due to this magnetic attachment you can mount this transmitter anywhere very easily. So now let's test this without wasting any time. Okay guys, now I have connected this mic to my mobile phone. It is very easy to connect. You just have to put a C-type receiver in your mobile phone, and for connecting this microphone to your receiver you just have to press this orange button for 3 seconds, and when it is successfully connected then continuous blue light is blinking. Okay, now the sound you are listening is coming from this mic without noise cancellation, means now the noise cancellation is turned off. For turning on noise cancellation you just have to press this orange button once like this. Okay, now the sound you are listening is coming after noise cancellation. So you can clearly see the difference between noise cancellation and without noise cancellation. Okay, there is also a reverb mode in this microphone. For turning it on, you have to press this orange button 3 times, like 1, 2, 3. And now you can see the blue light turned into red light. It means now the reverb function is turned on. You can see that now sound is coming in reverb mode, means the echo is in sound. Okay, so now I will turn it off. For turning it off you have to press orange button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and you can see that our mic is came to normal mode. Now the sound you are listening is coming in a normal way without reverb. Okay, so the sound quality of microphone is very good, because under 1000 rupees you will get so many functions in that, such as noise cancellation, this magnetic clip, and this is very helpful because you can easily mount it anywhere like this. Okay, so I like this product, and if you are a content creator or thinking to be a content creator, then you must purchase this product. I purchased it from Amazon for only 992 rupees, and now I think the price of this product is 1200 rupees. So you can wait for some time. When there is sale you can purchase it up to 900 to 1000, below 1000 rupees. So it is very useful gadget under 1000 rupees. I don't think any other brand providing such product under 1000 rupees. And the sound quality is also really good. Noise cancellation is also, it is okay, because what you can expect under 1000 rupees. Okay, if you watched this video till now, then hit that like button and comment down below that how this mic is, and subscribe to Tech Lab for more such useful tech gadgets reviews and interesting tech videos.